Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about cells, rows, tables and databases. Cell. It is a single scalar value. Any information or data can be considered as a cell. For an example, your name. Here, my name is a cell. Row. A group of scalar values representing a single instance of an object or event is a row. For an example, a group of scalar information about one particular person can be considered as a row. My name, a contact number, and a date of birth. If all the information belongs to one particular person, then we can say this is a row. Table. A series of rows describing separate objects or events. Information about second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on persons can be represented as a table. Here you can see an example of table. We have name, contact and date of birth. You can see in the first row, my name is the name for a particular object, contact of that particular object and date of birth of that particular object. The information in first row is separate from the information in the second row. Database. It is a collection of related tables describing various facts of a group of objects or events. That means it is a collection of more than one tables which are related with each other. So this was the understanding about cells, rows, tables and databases, which is very essential in order to learn the basics of any database management system. Cells are the scalar values. More than one cells about one particular object creates row. More than one rows create table, and more than one related tables creates database. Thank you.